Here's how to convert MP4 to MP3. I created a file converter with my brother. It's called ConvertSave, and it converts your files offline on Mac and Windows. So all you have to do is click and drag. You can drag in multiple files if you want to, and then select your output. So in this case, I'm going from MP4 to MP3, and then I just hit convert. It'll save it right back to wherever that file came from. So it's ConvertSave. There's a link in the description. You can go check it out. It's a file converter for images, audio, and video right now. We'll even have documents eventually. There's hundreds of different formats that it converts, and I've tested it up to like 1,000 files, so you can batch convert as well. Just drag in. It's like an easy click and drag type of file converter. And it doesn't upload your files to any sketchy websites. It all happens directly on your computer. You can do all these conversions without Wi-Fi or being on a network if you want to. So that's ConvertSave. It's pretty much that simple. Convert and save. You guys can check it out in the description. Thanks for your support. I'll see you in the next one.